Hi, welcome back to this series on vocab and terminology to do with research methods. This will be particularly useful for you if you're doing the psychology A-level or the sociology A-level or the GCSEs. But really, if you're studying any subject that deals with doing research on humans, then you will find this useful. So today we're going to talk about repeated measures versus independent measures. So you're going to imagine a situation where you're doing an experiment and you're doing it on a sample. Sample is a group of people that you do an experiment on, because you're not going to do an experiment on everyone in the world. You need to pick some people to try it out on. We'll talk about samples in a different video. But so you've got these people, maybe you've got 10 people, which is quite a small sample really, but for the sake of argument, you've got 10 people and you want to test, does upbeat music make people happier? And so you're not just going to give these 10 people upbeat music and see how happy they are. You're going to need to test it against something to show a difference. So you're going to test it with upbeat music, with like slow music and no music to see if there's a difference between these three categories. And so if you are doing a repeated measures experiment, you're going to test the same 10 people in each of these groups. So you're going to give people number 1 to number 10 upbeat music and then get them to rate how happy they are. Then you're going to give people 1 to 10 like slow music and then get them to rate how happy they are. And then you're going to get them to sit there with no music and then rate how happy they are. So that's one way of doing the experiment. A different way, which will have different pros and cons, you take people 1 to 10 and you give them the upbeat music and ask them to rate how happy they are. Then you get people 20 to 30, so a different set of 10 people, and play the slow music to them and get them to rate how happy they are. And then you get people 30 to 40, no, people 20 to 30, and like a different set of 10 people, and you give them no music and get them to rate how happy they are. And you compare the three groups, but there are different people in each group. And there's different pros and cons to this. So maybe have a think about that and we'll discuss them in a different video. Have a great day.